Do you want to learn how I made this viral design? You can see how straight and accurate and neat it is, and this is how to do it. Take your bias, open it, and use the back to form that line you really want to show, like the line you want to follow. Then you maintain the bias that way, opened. It's just that, as you can see the way I'm doing it, it's just that side you will later fold, you'll be sewing. Make sure you are sewing it straight, open it, let the back be at where you want the line to be. Like, I mean, where the Ankara will show, then the back of the bias will be there. You open up the bias the way I'm doing it, and you will sew gently, gently. I said gently. Sew it, sew it, and adjust as you are sewing it. As you can see, I'm placing the back and straightening it up so that it will give me the exact straight line I really desire. You can see that's a closer view. You open it and sew that one side you've been sewing. Continue till the end of your fabric. Make sure you are adjusting it because after sewing, there will be no way to adjust or readjust. So that's the way I'm placing it. Open it with your fingers and sew. Sew along the line. Can you see? In a state like this, when your buyers would not be able to finish up that line, would you loosen everything? No. What we have to do is just to take a new bias. Can you see that? I'm taking an extra bias and I'll be joining that. I indeed did not want to forward this or cut this off because I really need, we all need to learn this and it might help somebody. So if this is helpful to you, please give me a thumb up. Can you see the way I'm placing it? I opened up that finished edge. I put another one on top of it to give it a close, like an inbuilt seaming, so that you will not know where I joined it. And I continued my process. This is how I've been doing it. I open up that line, one side, I'll sew that one side down, and I'm using the back to give my line, like to form that straight line I really want on my Ankara. I believe at the end of this video, you'll be able to do yours on your own and perfectly neat as this. Just take your time. After getting to the hemline, what you need to do now is to just cut an inch, or let me say 0.25 inch closer to the end, and you fold it in. You fold it in and give it the last, like, stitching. Give it the last stitching. Now you go back to the top, fold that bias in and cover it up. Can you see that? That's the line I admired. Like, I really desire it. It's the way I want it. It's coming out. Can you see how straight it is? Now cover it up and sew again. Are you enjoying this? Would you try this? Can you see? Just give it time and make sure you are adjusting whenever necessary. Make sure you are adjusting. That's very, very important because after sewing, it will be a kind of disappointment if you now see where you're not supposed to sew, you already sewed. It's not, it wouldn't be okay. So in this case, you have to be vigilant and make sure you adjust your clothes so that it will come out the way you expected it to be. And can you see? Everything will align. The next one, that's how you're going to take it and use the last stripe to form that line. Just make sure you are using the back of the bias to form the line you desire. Please give me a follow.